Do you have some relationships in your life that are easy and some that are hard? What is the difference maker? Often it is trust. Learn with me how to build high trusting relationships with ease. Hello, my name is Kristen Earp. I am a leadership development coach and trainer. I support emerging and experienced leaders to get to the next level of their career success and overall life happiness. My 20-plus year career in training and development is supported by a master's in organizational psychology and 2 coaching certifications, one through the International Coaching Federation. I have worked in several industries and with leaders at all levels of their career. The most exciting part of my job is to help new leaders develop sustainable and healthy relationships with their team through empowerment, innovation, and fun. I hope this course shows you how to approach relationships with others from an honest and open place. In this course, Building Trust with Your Team, we will take a look at the sensible steps a new manager needs to take to build trust. We will consider how authenticity, logic, and empathy work in unison so you can find your swing as a team. We have functional exercises in all of these sections to help you start integrating your learning with action. So, if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started.